Okay, so now that we have negative 2/9, what we're going to do is go back up. Remember, everything is raised to the negative 2 power. So we would say negative 2/9 raised to the negative 2. Well, we can take this negative 2 here now and bring it up to each one of these. That's a 9 right there. Or the shortcut way of doing this is just to flip this thing. And so you could say negative 9 over 2. Okay, that's just a whole lot faster. Raised to the 2 power. And of course now we have negative 9 to the second power and 2 to the second power. Now you notice I took the negative and just brought it into the numerator up here, okay, and put parentheses around it because of the negative. Notice I didn't put parentheses around the 2 in the bottom. That's fine. But negative 2 squared is going to be 9 times 9, or negative 9 squared is 81, and 2 squared is 4. Right. What happens if we had 9 over 8 and it was all raised to the 0 power? Well, remember, everything raised to the 0 power is going to be 1. So there you go. That was a little review there, a little refresher. How about if I had 5 over 8 and it's raised to the negative 1? Well, remember that you can flip this fraction, so you have 8 over 5. And we flip the fraction because we have a negative here, so we can write a positive now. But this is just 8 over 5 raised to the first power, which is just 8 over 5. Alright, let's look at, I don't know, I think let's start working some stuff with some variables in it. How about I had 7x to the 8th times y squared, so we're going to jump right on into the water here. And it's not too deep, I promise. X to the 6th and y. Okay. Well, we have an x to the 8th and an x to the 6th. Now I'm going to rewrite this as 7. I'll just rewrite this 7 over 2 here and get it out of the way. We have x to the 8th times x to the negative 6. Now bringing this up into the numerator, change the sign, times y squared times y to the negative 1. I'm bringing this up into the numerator also. Now what do we do here? We add our exponents. We look at our like terms here. We got two bases that are the same, so this becomes x 8 to the minus 6 times y 2 to the minus 1. And of course we have this 7/2 out front. So 7 over 2 times x. So this becomes 2, and y 2 minus 1 is just 1. So there you go. It's been simplified all the way down. 7/2 x squared times y. Alright, let's look at another one here. So let's say we had 15 x to the 11th and y to the 7th, and that's all over 3 x squared y squared. So I'm going to rewrite this. First off, 3 goes into 15 5 times. So let's just get that out of the way. Bring this x squared to the top, so that becomes x to the negative 2. Y to the 7th times, bring this y squared to the top, so it becomes y to the negative 2. Now we add our exponents.